What's going on, team, and welcome back to another video. So today I want to talk to you about what a trading market is. There are two different types of markets out there. One is a primary market and the other one is a secondary market. We all know what a secondary market is, even if you didn't know what the name of it was. We all trade on a secondary market, okay? I'm going to explain what that is in just a second, but I want to talk to you first about a primary market. A primary market is a marketplace where new shares are issued into the market, okay? Now what that means is, let's say a company wants to list shares onto the stock market. They have to go through a process called an IPO. If you don't know what an IPO is, I do have a separate video explaining what it is. But again, a primary market is when a company IPOs their shares into the market. This means that higher institutions, other companies out there, are buying these new shares. Once these shares are bought by the higher institutions and by other companies, they are now issued onto a secondary market. This secondary market is when individuals like you and I are now trading shares. So you are no longer buying new shares into the market. You are actually buying shares that someone else has previously owned. So something to keep in mind is that for every buyer within a secondary market, there must be a seller on the other side, and vice versa. Whenever you're looking to sell shares within a secondary market, there must be a buyer on the other side. When you lose money within the market, someone else is actually profiting on the other side, okay? And vice versa. When you're making money within the market, someone else is actually losing. Now, moving forward within your trading career and understanding this concept, it's really going to help you understand liquidity levels within the market, as well as supply and demand zone. So that means it's going to help you understand the good times to buy, as well as the good times to sell. Not a lot of people understand that they are trading on a secondary market, which is why they struggle with liquidity, spreads, and other things as well. I truly believe that this concept is essential for you to understand and study, whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader. So if you have any further questions on this video, you can always reach out through the Discord community or message me privately.